guys, welcome to my channel. Today I really wanted to talk to you about the best online training platform that you can find out there. I can tell you that because I've joined that training a couple of months ago and it's been a total game changer for me. I've been more successful than ever before on internet, and maybe I think 2 weeks after I joined I made my first sale, and so it's been a total game changer for me because I've been struggling to find my place online for a couple of months. I tried to find free solutions. I tried different trainings, but with that training, it really worked. I really want you to be able to have that success as well in 2021. So let's dive into action right now. I'm going to show you right away what training it is. Okay, let's go. So before we dive into action, if you could please subscribe to my channel just right here. I'm gonna have it here. And give me some comments, give me some likes. I really appreciate every single comments, and I read them all and I reply them all personally. So I really love your comments. Give me some likes, some thumbs up as well. So let's dive into action. You want to know what's the best online training platform today? So if you want to start your online business and you're looking for a platform for your training, you better start with the Entra Institute. Why should you do that? Because they've been there for many years and all the trainers are the best that you can find out there. They're really successful people and they are committed to your success. So it's not people that are going to say, okay, let's join that and learn whatever you can and see you in 10 years. It's just like they're really committed to your success. And I say that because you're going to have a training every single week with the CEO of the company and with another instructor as well who's been there, done that. He's really successful and he can really help you with all your questions that you're going to have on your way. Because I can tell you, you're going to have a lot of questions on the way, but it's not a problem because you have a whole team ready to answer your questions. Just this morning I had a question and I wrote a little quick email on Skype, quick message, and I had an answer in 30 seconds. And that's really awesome for me because success loves speed, and when you have questions you really get angry by not having your answers, and because you want it to work fast. So if you can have answers to your questions really quickly, that's really awesome. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now just in order to show you how it's going to look like. So just give me a second. So here we are. So as soon as you click on the link below, you're going to join the Entra Blueprint training. First of all, you're going to have a free ebook that's going to explain you the whole story about Jeff Lerner, how he became the CEO of Entra Entra Institute. I was about to say Entra Blueprint. So he became the CEO of Entra Institute when he was just out of nowhere. He was $400,000 in debt, and he decided to go online and to build his own online business. And he got really successful. After 18 months, all his debt were paid, and he was making money. So he decided that he needed to help people out there and start to create that training in order to help people being successful online just like he did. So he created the Entra Institute, and you're gonna see you have different trainings, but first you have the Entra Blueprint, so you really need to go into that. You can book a welcome call with your advisor straight away. You see here my advisor was Marlon, and you can chat with this guy like not 24/7, but you can chat with this guy on Skype during daytime. So you're gonna go through 6 different steps that are gonna lead you to a business plan. And when you arrive to your business plan, you're gonna talk again with your advisor, and he's gonna tell you, okay, what are your goals? What are your plans? And what do you want to do? And in order to that, he's gonna be able to just give you some advice on what course you should take in order to achieve your goals, because you're not training. Normally you're not taking a training just for fun. You're taking a training because you have some goals and you have things that you want to achieve. So in order to achieve your goals, your advisor is going to be there for you. So and the business plan, it's not a boring business plan, guys. It's a funny business plan that are all about setting your goals. So that's really cool. So as soon as you have your call with your advisor, and I'm telling you that because I've been through all these steps, okay? So as soon as you have your call with your advisor, you're going to be able to choose which training you want. So I'm going to show you right here. For my part, I chose the Affiliate Millionaire Accelerator. I could have chose the bundle with Affiliate Millionaire Accelerator, Agency Millionaire Accelerator, and the Course Millionaire Accelerator. It's a bundle for really cheap. And Agency Millionaire is to learn how to build your digital agency, and the Course Millionaire is to learn how to build online courses. So if you're really into online courses and you want to create yourself your own course about yoga or about photography or things like that, you take the Course Millionaire. For my part, it was really more about Affiliate Millionaire, but I'm pretty sure in a couple of months I'm going to take one of the two other trainings because I'm going to be at that point in my life. So, and I also have the Awesome Life Challenge that I can take. I haven't done it yet because I'm really focusing on my affiliate marketing business. And you have the Entra Nation Elite here. It says 0%, but I'm actually into that. It's not a course, but you're into the whole community of Entra. So you're having these trainings every week with professional advisors, and you even have Jeff Lerner, who's the CEO of the company. He's joining these calls, and he's going to be with you guys to answer your questions, and he's personally challenging people into these calls, and that's really cool. Okay, so I just saw that I was not in the video anymore, but anyway, you heard my voice, so that's cool. And if you want to go really further, you can take the Entra Coaching or the Entra Inner Circle, and you're going to have really direct access on a one-on-one coaching plan, and you're really going to fast forward your online business. So it's things that you want to take if you want to just press fast forward and go into your business quickly and be successful and make money quickly. So the Entra Blueprint is the one that I show you here. I don't know why it's locked, but it's unlocked for me on the other page. And Millionaire Productivity Secrets, you're going to go through this training as well in the boot camp. So you're going to have a boot camp just right after the Entra Blueprint. You're going to have a boot camp that is going to push you in your, it's really going to push you in your entrepreneur mindset. And right after that, you dive into one of the courses that you took, or the 3 courses if you took the 3. So if you click on the link below, you're going to be on the right path for your success and to start your new career online. So take care, guys. I really hope that gave you a lot of value, and I invite you to please subscribe to my channel, click on the little bell so you get notification when I post new stuff online, and give me some likes, give me some comments. I love them all. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.